Puttering around, understanding a quirky English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting English phrase, puttering around. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and understanding it can add a charming touch to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and learn about what it means to putter around. Puttering around is a phrase that describes a type of activity. When someone is puttering around, they are engaging in small, often unimportant or leisurely activities, usually around their home. It implies a relaxed, unhurried manner, often doing little tasks or hobbies that are enjoyable but not particularly urgent or demanding. Think of someone tending to houseplants, organizing bookshelves, or casually tidying up. That's puttering around. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember and use them better. The word putter in puttering around is believed to originate from the Old English word putten, which means to poke or prod. Over time, it evolved to describe a gentle kind of activity, almost like poking around without a clear purpose. This background gives a quaint, almost whimsical feeling to the phrase. Now, how can you use puttering around in your everyday English? It's great for casual conversations, especially when talking about leisurely activities. For example, you might say, "I spent my Sunday morning puttering around the garden," or "My dad likes to putter around in the garage on his days off." Notice how it adds a relaxed, friendly tone to what you're saying. Like many English phrases, puttering around has some variations. You might hear pottering around in British English, which means the same thing. There's also putter about, another way to express the same idea. These variations are useful to know, especially if you're communicating with English speakers from different parts of the world. I hope you've enjoyed learning about puttering around and feel ready to use this charming phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and nuances behind phrases like this. Happy puttering around with your English learning journey!